Hi, Mary Beth with the Bruce Company Furniture Department here. Today we're going to talk about teak wood. We've talked about other woods such as ipay in the past, but teak is also a popular choice for outdoor furniture. Some of the reasons it's popular is that it's a very hard wood, has a lot of great properties to it. Now, teak is a tropical hardwood. It's grown mostly in the South and Southeast Asia regions, which includes Indonesia, Burma, India, and Malaysia. And many experts claim that Indonesia and Burma has the best teak quality. It is sustainably harvested, so you can feel good about that when you buy it. It's not being taken from a forestation issue. They actually, like the Indonesian government, allows only a set amount of trees to be harvested every year. And for every tree that's harvested, they have to replant a new one. So they are thinking about the future, which is good. There are different grades of teak, so it depends a little bit on how old your tree is when it's cut. So a grade A would be anywhere from a 30 to 100-year-old tree, and they're taking the wood from the center part of the tree, which is called the heartwood. And some of the good properties in that heartwood would be that it's very dense, the graining is very close together, it has virtually no knots in it, and there is a high oil content, which is desirable. Grade B and grade C, obviously, a little bit younger tree, maybe a little bit of sapwood in there. Not quite as pretty, but still pretty durable. Does not have quite as much oil in it. Now, the whole reason that we want to have oil in our teak is because it's going to help make it resilient to rot and to bugs, for the most part. I must say that with a caveat because sometimes people do complain that wasps like to chew on teak, which is true, but you can do things to help get rid of the wasps. It's also going to patina over time. So when it's left out in the elements, it will start to turn silver gray. And in some cases, that's considered desirable. People do like to have their teak kind of weathered looking. But if you don't like that, we do have products that you can put on your teak to preserve it and help keep it in this natural color. I've got a variety of cleaning products, sealers, and things that can help prevent stains. So we can set you up with that if you're interested in teak wood. I talked about the Janka scale before with the ipay. This does have a rating of about 1,000 to 1,155, and that is per square inch when they push a metal ball with a lot of weight on it into the wood until that dense. So it is very dense. Solid teak can stay outside during all seasons. In the case of the chairs, they have the sling on it. You would want to put those away during the season because it could cause harm to the sling. Now, again, with the oils, because there's oils in it, it will secrete oils for the next few years. You might want to be very cautious about leaving upholstery on it. So if you have a piece of teak that has upholstery, you might want to pull those cushions off to store because the teak oil does stain and it cannot be cleaned. So it does make a great product for outdoor patio furniture. In fact, it's been used in the boat industry for thousands of years because they have all those great properties in it. If you want to learn more and you want to know what teak manufacturers we carry, come and see me at the Bruce Company or any one of our furniture associates. Hope to see you at the Bruce Company soon.